Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play White Forest Yu-Gi-Oh! This guide will help you understand the core mechanics and strategies of this exciting archetype. We will cover its unique monster types and their attributes, focusing on how they work together to summon powerful synchro monsters. Get ready to learn how to build a formidable board and dominate your duels with the White Forest strategy. Let's dive into the essential White Forest monsters that form the backbone of your strategy. White Forest Bear is a crucial tuner, easily special summoned to kickstart your plays. White Forest Rabbit helps you search for vital pieces, ensuring consistency. And White Forest Owl offers valuable protection, shielding your powerful synchro monsters from your opponent's targeting effects. Understanding these monsters is key to mastering the deck. Now, let's explore some core White Forest combos. A fundamental play involves summoning two White Forest monsters, often leading into a powerful level 6 synchro monster. You can extend these plays by utilizing graveyard effects, bringing back key monsters for additional summons. The goal is to establish an end board featuring at least one form of disruption and a well-protected synchro monster, ready to control the field. To wrap up, let's discuss White Forest's overall strategy and some helpful tips. Its primary strength is the consistent access to powerful synchro monsters, allowing for strong board presence. However, the deck can be vulnerable to hand traps that disrupt your initial summons. To mitigate this, consider including cards in your side deck that protect against negation effects, ensuring your crucial plays go through. Master these aspects for success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.